Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best cooking torches. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Sandico Refillable Butane Kitchen Torch. If you want a reliable kitchen torch to brown the top of mac and cheese for your dinner on Saturday night, you can always count on this fantastic product from Sandico. Made from durable aluminum alloy, the Sandico kitchen torch is highly sturdy and durable, thus offering you long-lasting performance. To ensure that this torch will not pose any hazards to you, the brand has implemented it with several safety features. For instance, the product has a safety lock to ensure that you don't ignite it by accident. Also, the long-angled nozzle and the finger guard to protect your hand from the flame. Adjustable flame and continuous flame mode. Piezo ignition technology allows for use at any angle, even upside down with effortless one-hand operation. Adjustable temperature regulator for complete control of the flame, and allows the flame temperature to reach up to 1,300 degrees Celsius, 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the button to light the fire. Turn the safety lock clockwise at the same time. Then it will keep firing without your pressing. Cooking is much easier. Don't worry if you've never used a kitchen torch before. This product from Sandico is exceedingly user-friendly. With its refillable design, you can fill more fuel into the unit. With a simple swipe, you can quickly open the security lock and light the torch with piezo ignition technology. Number 2. Your Kitchen Butane Torch with Fuel Gauge. Torching a crème brûlée requires a delicate balance because you need a flame that's strong enough to caramelize sugar, but you also need to be able to control and easily maneuver this flame so that you don't completely burn the sugar or warm the custard underneath. This Your Kitchen Torch offers plenty of control and strength, making it an obvious choice for any crème brûlée enthusiast. The canister can hold 12 grams of butane, and the convenient fuel gauge allows you to know when you're running low and need to refuel. Thanks to its user-friendly rear knob, the product enables you to effortlessly control the intensity of the flame. With the fuel gauge, you can learn the current gas level in the can with a single glance. If the fuel runs out, you can refill more butane into the unit with surprising ease. This model can shoot up to 6 inches of fire, and the convenient finger guard ensures that you're safe from making contact with the super hot flame. The gas control knob makes for a super consistent and steady flame, which is ideal when you're glossing over the sugar on a crème brûlée. Even, consistent browning is key. Number 3. Spicy Dew Crème Brûlée Kitchen Torch. Anyone who loves making mouth-watering crème brûlée in their own kitchen will definitely appreciate having a kitchen torch as fantastic as this one from Spicy Dew. Boasting a high-quality performance, this product allows you to whip up restaurant-grade dishes right in your own home. Favored by even top chefs, the Spicy Dew kitchen torch will help even beginners to make top-notch crème brûlée with ease. Spicy Dew is committed to provide the best quality kitchen products in the market, and customer satisfaction is our number one priority. We trust and stand by our distinctive torch. This is why our handheld blowtorch is covered with no questions, no hassle money-back guarantee for 90 days and a 3-year warranty. Furthermore, this product can also be used for various other purposes, such as searing meat, roasting veggies for side foods, toasting bread, melting cheese, and so much more. Additionally, this kitchen torch is implemented with anti-flare technology as well as a reliable child safety lock to ensure that you can use the product without worrying about your safety. What's more, this torch is made from heavy-duty materials for a considerably longer lifespan. Number 4. Sear Pro Multi-Use Cooking Torch. If you want the top of the line, all the bells and whistles model, then this torch is right up your alley. Not only does it have a super sleek design, but it can also fire up a seriously powerful flame. Its compact size also makes it easy to transport, making it a great camping or outdoor adventure accessory. This torch is super powerful, but its adjustable fuel control allows you to use it for delicate applications like crème brûlée or meringue, as well as heftier projects. Crank up the fuel control and use the full power flame for tasks like searing steaks, roasting peppers, or lighting a campfire. This is certainly a pricey option, But if you want a tool that can do everything from torch a mini marshmallow to caramelize a glazed ham, this is the torch for you. Reviewers love using this high-powered torch for finishing off steaks and centerpiece proteins. Even though it's nearly twice or 3 times as expensive as some competitors, customers feel the investment is worth it and they love the product. Number 5. Colia Cooking Butane Kitchen Torch. If you love holding barbecue parties or making sweet courses for your camping trip, then you definitely can't miss the Colia Butane Kitchen Torch. Highly efficient, this torch can yield flames of various intensity to accommodate your barbecue needs. Also, the safety lock on the unit will ensure small children will not be able to accidentally ignite it. Made from an aluminum alloy of premium quality, this kitchen torch from Colia can guarantee long-lasting performance. What's more, thanks to its innovative piezo ignition technology, the product can allow you to light it up with the very first try. Additionally, the Colia Butane Kitchen Torch also comes with a feature that allows you to lock the ignition button so that the flame will keep on going without you pressing the button. As a result, you'll not strain your hand while using this product for long periods. If you're worried that you're not efficient enough when it comes to barbecuing, you can have a look at these best barbecue books for detailed instruction on how to become a barbecue pro. Thanks for watching the video.